Hello everyone and welcome. Last week I took the Golf Mark 5 to a local shop to get a few stuff changed, like the oil filter, air filter, cabin filter. Between all this stuff, the mechanic decided to change the fuel filter. The car is like new, it has only 50,000 kilometers. I don't think I need it, but he changed it. And right after, I could hear a rattling noise coming from the inside, especially on the right side of a dashboard. I took the car immediately to the mechanic. He checked up some stuff on the engine, but he couldn't find the reason of the rattling noise. The noise is, you can hear a noise only at about 1500 revs, and it's coming from this side. So the mechanic didn't find the reason for this rattling noise. He started telling me that it could take a lot of time to find reason, a lot of money. So I checked the internet at all. I found a few posts on forums, Volkswagen forums, and a video that I will put here, and they say that is a common problem for Golfs from the Mark 5 to Mark 7 to the 8, I think also. When you change the fuel filter, you move the hoses, fuel hoses, and they start rattling inside of the frame. So now I will try to repair the problem, the noise, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Trying to put some gloves. Okay. Oh, okay. The last one is down there. Yeah. Okay. Now there's this one right here. There's a few others, one there, another one there, and yeah, one there. So that's the plastic plate that is under the car that we have just removed. Okay, the mechanic tried to remove the noise, putting some pasta inside here. I don't know what it is, but I will remove it. It's like silicone or something. I don't like. I want to be all original as possible. And you also put these polystyrene things, thinking about that he thought that it was this plate was the problem. Okay, we are under the car. Here we have the frame. Yeah, and so here there are the fuel hoses. You can see the door. These are the fuel hoses, blue, white and black. Okay, this is the noise we hear inside of the car. Okay, we only have this little door, nothing here. This car already have this piece of foam. These are the hoses going down. Okay, these are the hoses. Let's see over. Okay, so we are following the hoses here, and that's the fuel filter. Okay, as you can see, this moves a lot. Okay, oh, this one also moves a lot. There's a lot of movement, you know. Okay, but now let's go back to the front to see if we can do something only just moving these hoses around. So we are here. They still move inside here. There's a bunch, 2 of them are attached to the frame. Yeah, there's a little hole. Okay, actually there's a little hole here. So, okay. I wanted to try to put some foam inside here because it will be a better option. You know, you put some foam inside of a frame on the 2 sides. Okay, so it doesn't matter if the tubes are going around, but there's not enough space to put this kind of foam or literally anything through this door. I know that someone has done it, but I don't know how to do it. But if you can do it, but I think that this putting some foam is the better option. We will do now. We will use some cable ties. We put here inside this little hole around the tubes. Uè, fatto. So now let's see if this is enough. Well, no more noise from the engine. Well, no more rattling noises. Yeah. Let's take the car for a ride. No. Yeah, the noise is gone. So let's call this job done. No more weird rattling noises coming from the inside of the car. So the problem was really the fuel hoses moving inside the frame, and yeah, the cable tie is really enough to fix them, and it's doing its job. It's still in place. I recommend checking the cable tie after 1 or 2 years, especially if you live in really hot or cold climates, because you know they could break. And if you want to try, you can put some small styrene sheets, but it's hard to put them inside of a little hole, and I don't recommend using some spray foam or some foam that can store humidity inside, because these Volkswagens are well known for rusting, so you could accelerate the process. The cable tie is more than enough. So now it's time to put the plastic plates under the car, and we are done. For screwing all these bolts back together, make sure you align the front part here with this piece of plastic, unless you wouldn't be able to align everything together. Do this before doing screwing off the bolts. Okay. Oh.